Hi, it's Adam and Lindy with another unboxing. Special guest, my brother Wilson.
Hi.
Let's see what we have today. Oh, it's really protected. Oh, I think it's underneath stuff. Yeah, it's under. It's tucked in underneath. Okay. Well, we'll pull it out. Okay, let's take all the stuff.
So
go ahead and start.
Adventure Time. Yeah, just take it out.
Oh, it looks like. Oh, so it's the Adventures Time Kickstarter. All right, you might have to reach in and get it. Get some.
Oh, okay. These are the.
Oh, nice. Okay, and we'll go through them shortly. Oh, okay, we're gonna have to open these because I don't know what the heck. These are just okay. All right, anything else in there?
No,
okay, all right, let's take a look. So it's Adventure Time.
Yeah, Card Wars.
Card Wars. And then, so we got a few things, which we're gonna have to open because, oh, actually it is labeled, but it's not decorated. They are labeled, but they're decorated. Okay, so let's start. Do you want to open those?
Yeah, sure.
All right, let's start with
These ones. Okay. Well, we'll see when.
We'll see when we open it.
So this one is a Playmat.
All right, let's move that over.
Yeah. So.
Let's see what kind of Playmat though. I forgot which one I chose.
Yeah.
You need this?
Oh, I got it. Okay. This one is.
Ooh, it's so pretty.
It's the treehouse.
Look, it's Jake. And then it's Finn. Oh, pretty. Okay. Let's
Oh,
do
and then
that.
this is another Playmat.
Alright, let's see what this Playmat is.
So it is. Here, you get this.
Ooh, oh, it's so pretty.
Yeah, this one's the Candy Kingdom Playmat.
Oh, there she is. I was like, where's Bubblegum? Oh, okay, these are really nice.
They
I
have
really
like the
like
zones
this.
here.
Yeah, you can see it here. It's up here too.
But I like that it's not too like visible.
Yeah,
You can see more of the art.
It's very pretty. I really like it. Okay.
I see how that feels great.
These are nice. These are really nice quality. I like these mats. Okay, let's see. Do you want to open these unknowns? Or do you want to go through those?
Yeah, let's go through the new stuff first.
Okay.
Because those are.
Alright, what is this one? This is Card Wars Lands of Legend Booster Collection. Alright, let's open that. I need this. I'm not good at opening these. Ugh. The struggle. Okay, here you go.
Yeah.
Alright, and you want to open it? Open it?
Yeah. We'll see
Here,
what's in there.
I'll let you open it.
Okay. Oh, just a stack. Huh. Okay. This one is.
Booster cards?
Yeah. Just extra 80 game cards.
Ooh, okay. Nice.
So yeah, we can add these to the like pre-made decks.
Alright, and then we have this one is Peppermint Butler versus Magic Man Collector's Pack.
Yeah, so we got like all three of them.
We got all the collector packs. Do you want to open all of them or just show them off?
We can open them.
Okay.
Like, we'll see what's in that one, and then it's pretty
It's
much gonna be the same.
probably gonna
thing.
be decks.
Yeah, it should be both of their decks.
Alright, there you go. I'm terrible at these. Ugh, okay. Ooh. Okay, so it comes with a little manual. And then it comes with each of their decks.
Oh, no.
And then it comes with their
They're like
character cards, probably. The other one is beyond that. Oh, it comes with tokens also. Oh, and then land
The land cards?
cards.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
look like land cards and plenty of tokens. Alright, so each one of these will have that type for the characters. So this is Prismo and the Lich, and then this is Flame Princess versus Fern. Alrighty. Okay, so each one of these would have those in there. I'm gonna put these back.
Nice. Cool.
And then this one is
Yeah,
the
this
Kickstarter.
one is the Kickstarter exclusive stuff. Let me take that in. This one's kind of tight.
These boxes are hard to open. I'm not kidding.
This one's kind of tight, yeah.
Try to open the other side.
Oh, this
There
one's
we go.
easier. Okay. There you go.
Alrighty, so this is the Kickstarter for Dark Lands. It comes with a manual, and then it comes with the decks. There's 2 decks there, and then there's player cards, and then more tokens with fan cards. Well, one stayed in, but these are different types. Ooh, these are nice. I like the Dark Land ones. Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. This is the Darklands thing?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it comes with a whole bunch of character cards. So Simon. Do you want to open this one?
Yeah, go ahead.
I kind of want to see who they got. Alright, so Simon. Choose Goose. Gorblock. Betty. Oh, Baby Finn and Jake. I remember that. Mr. Fox. Banana Man. Hot Dog Princess. Oh, wow, they have so many. Ghost Princess. Muscle Princess. Turtle Princess. Stag. The Snail.
You get to make your
And a
own.
blank one. Oh, for custom. Oh, this is cool. You have a lot of characters you can play with.
Yeah, and this is the Kickstarter exclusive.
Nice. Alright, oh, you know what? I'll leave that open. Alright, do you want to put these back?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, I can put that. Alright, do you want to, let's open up these.
Yeah. Let's see what those
No, I'll just tuck it in right now. Let's just tuck this in right now. There you go. Alright, let's open this one. They just left it like blank, so it's just like, oh, what is it? Oh, it's a mat. Oh, it's another mat. I wasn't expecting that.
Oh, this one's for the Darklands expansion.
Oh. Ooh, okay. Oh, it's a thin one. Interesting. So it has different
Like the zones are different.
zones, I guess. I like this art. Well, I always like the art. But, oh, nice. I wasn't expecting it to be so thin. I thought it was going to be bigger. Alright, let's move on. Open up this guy. Here you go.
This one is the
Ooh.
acrylic tokens.
Ooh, this was an upgrade, I think,
Yeah,
right?
this is like the upgraded components.
That comes with this nice bag. And then these are, oh, they are. They're acrylic. Right?
Yeah. So it's like damage token, status tokens.
Ooh, they're nice. Ooh, I like the upgrades. There's a whole bunch of them. So this is for that one.
Cool.
Awesome. Okay, so we'll do that there. Now let's open this guy. Alright, there you go.
Yeah. There you go. What's this?
What is
Oh, these are the deck boxes for the previous decks that we got.
Oh, from the actual
Yeah.
game. Gotcha. All right. So we'll open that up. Do you want to open it up, or you want
Sure.
to start building them?
Yeah, we'll put them together.
Oh, that's stuff. Oh, this one. This one. Ooh, I like. Oh gosh, so
Oh,
this
the pouch
is.
looks nice.
Yes, this is such a cute bag. Finn and Jake. Are these upgraded tokens as well? There seem to be in here. Oh yeah, they
more
are.
acrylic tokens.
They're more acrylic tokens. Oh, this is this for the Darkland expansion?
It could be.
Yeah, because they have some different tokens than the regular. So this is what you usually get. It's like the damage tokens, and then that one. And this one has like different types of tokens in this bag for the Jake and
Oh.
Finn one.
These are actually for the new ones,
Oh, those back.
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
but they're pretty thick enough to like fit the sleeve cards. Look at that.
Oh, nice.
Ooh.
You can box up the decks that we just got.
Yeah. Yeah, these are the new ones. I think this might be a spare one.
Just like a bonus for the Kickstarter. Alright. There you go. And it's the last box.
Oh, it's more.
Oh, okay. So these are
These
for
are
the original.
Yeah, like there's fit.
Oh, there's so much. Quite a lot. I don't remember. I mean, there was a lot of cards in the other one. Alright. Well, oh, I like it. Emo's my fave. Alright, so there's all of these. Oh, look.
Yeah.
There's quite a lot. I don't remember these many decks. But yeah. And Jake. Another Beamer one. Oh, it's a special one. This one's also a special one.
I think it's like spare cards or something.
Yeah. Okay, well. That's it. We'll start popping these and start building these decks. And that's Adventure Time Card Wars 2025. I really like the acrylic tokens, and the bags are really cute. I love all the boxes.
Yeah, and these boxes will fit well in the collector's storage box.
Yeah.
The mats also came out really nicely. I like the colors on them.
Yeah, really good quality. I can't wait to play.
Yeah, me too.
Until next time.
Have a good one.